FoxHunt is a unified search tool which can be used to search through many of the library's resources all in one search box. You can think of it like our library's Google, searching through databases of books, ebooks, newspaper articles, scholarly research articles, reference materials, videos, images, and more, all in one search. FoxHunt can be found on the library homepage. You can begin by typing some key search terms into the search box. This might be the title of a book or article, an author name, or some keywords describing what you would like to find information about. Here, I've entered the search terms Hudson River. Click your Enter key or search to get to the search results page. If you are looking for a specific type of content, you can choose to limit only to books or ebooks with the option to select one or the other, print or digital. Only videos, which can be limited to either DVDs or streaming. Articles, which you can specifically select to be peer-reviewed scholarly articles. Or, to find any other type of content, just select All, which is the default box, and continue to the results page. For tips about what to do when you get there, view the video for FoxHunt searching using the results page.